So here we want to make a distinction between ratios and percentages. Now, ratios are referring to parts compared with parts. So in this case, they're comparing densely vegetated land to sparsely vegetated land, and say that in the West, it's 11 parts densely to 18 parts sparsely vegetated. And in the central part of the US, that ratio is 3:1. They want the difference in the percentages of densely vegetated land from the west to the central. So we're going to subtract the percentages, but keep in mind percentage, instead of being part compared with part, it's part over total. So we know that the part that is densely vegetated in the west is 11 parts to the total being 11 parts dense versus 11 sparsely vegetated. In total is 29 parts. We'll do the same thing for the central region. There's 3 parts densely vegetated to the total being 3 plus 1, including both densely and sparsely vegetated, so 3/4. And we can go ahead and subtract those two to figure out the difference in the percentages. So I would just type this in as is. I'm going to do alpha y equals, enter, 11/29, right, minus, same thing here, we'll go alpha y equals, and we'll do 3, right, 4. Now, they don't specify the order, so it doesn't matter that I got a negative here. It just means I need to flip the sign and look at it as a positive. And we could figure out the decimal equivalent by doing alpha y equals, choosing option 4. And if we want it as a percent, simply multiply by 100. And again, we'll disregard the negative. And they say, and they don't specify what to round to, but you can see in the answer options, 37.1 is going to be the right answer. So option C.